Hi guys, it's your boy Ofenzele Dwaba once again. Thank you guys for liking my videos, subscribing to the channel and being part of my family guys. I really appreciate it a lot. As you know guys, I trade using the pure price action. So today I'll be sharing much more information about trading Nasdaq in a simpler and profitable way. That way you'll be able to understand that you'll be able to understand the phases in the market structure of the market, the behavior of the market, how price tends to respect previous data. Understand? You'll be able to see the movements that happens and the movements that repeat themselves. As you know guys, we make use of the trend lines, we make use of your chart patterns, we make use of the candlestick formations, and we also make use of your horizontal zone just to look at the significant areas and also be able to understand as well how to draw your chart patterns and see which area is most significant to which area is being rejected the most. And also guys, you need to understand that practice makes perfect. You're just not gonna get into Forex today and be profitable tomorrow. You need to practice, give your effort into the chart, put much more effort, give as much as you can. You can do it as much as we can do it. You can do it as well. Please join me into the charts. Hi guys, welcome to the charts, and I'll just be showing you guys the easiest and most profitable way of trading Nasdaq in a price action way. No need to be involving complicated indicators, lagging indicators, such as your RSI, such as your moving averages. So basically I'll just be showing you just how to analyze the charts in a pure price action way. So basically we're not gonna take much time. As you know, before I draw my horizontal zones, I just want you to see something guys. Do you see and understand that Nasdaq is always in a bullish? You understand? So you need to be aware of what is currently happening. Look what is this happening. You saw what happened here, and then this, and then we have another one here. The reason why I'm drawing these three lines is to show you just a mere reason of showing you guys how Nasdaq moves. You do know that in an uptrend you have something like this, which is impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction. So it's creating higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low. Basically we know that as long as the price it's not below this line is supporting the price action. It's also regarded as a supporting zone. You understand? Because you must understand that you do have horizontal zones which will come in this manner. You understand? These will be your horizontal zones. Let me do this. This will be your horizontal zones. You understand? Something like this. So you do know that in that manner you will have diagonal ones which are drawn using the trend lines that will at most show you and make you understand the direction that the price is heading to. You need to be aware of such. So with that, I was showing you guys how price is always coming back, retesting, going back up, breaking the highs. You can see here we broke this high. We broke this high, created the new high, and we went below, created the new low, which is the new low here. So you can see the significant movement. This is what we are having here. You understand? If we remove this and this, because currently price is here, what are we having? You are having an impulse move, to the upside, and then a corrective move to the downside on a daily chart, and then we're having another impulse creating a new high. So you can understand it's 1, 2, 3 formation. You need to be aware of such movements. But along this area, you can see we have a rejection in a support kind of nature. You can see here price got rejected here, whereby it was also closer to the trend lines. And before that, this happened. This was what was happening. You understand? As you can see, you would have bought here, and you can see here we had a fake out. It was a fake breakout. You understand? Because you can see price eventually went back into the trend line, and you can see that we are above the trend line. So I'll just be looking for greater position that can give us a move to the upside. If we do see a movement that can give us a sell area, it will be a short term until we reach this line, but it's at most dangerous, because what I would like to happen is for this, if we are going down to something like this and do a retest, we can shoot down. You understand? This is what I'll expect to happen. You understand? Because you can see now we are having a breakout. It's a fake out if it doesn't come back again here. It tests this line and shoots to the upside if it does something like this, because you need to understand where price is heading is what we see in the price chart patterns. We follow chart patterns. We don't just predict this. Basically, we use our data to understand and predict where price is going. We don't just guess or formulate our own stories. So you can see here we have our impulse up, and then this is the corrective move, and then we had another impulse. So I will scale down to my 4-hour time frame. Let me try not to make this chart a little bit dirty, so that you can be able to understand that looking in this manner and also trading with ease. Oh, and also let me show you, just want to show you guys the use of trend lines, how it basically helps you. You can see this price was above this. You understand? So basically it's pushing it, it's rejecting to break. It's a bouncing. It's like when you are on a jumping castle and then you are bouncing, you are being supported, and then you are given much more force to go back up. You understand? If you jump and then you go down, it pushes you back. This is what was happening here. If you can look at what is happening, look, bounce, and then bounce. You understand? So this is just what I'm expecting to happen. If it does come back to bounce, I'll expect price to bounce around this region. Understand? And then push back up. Understand? Hence I say the bigger movement is showing me that Nasdaq wants to push up, but we can have a short-term sell, and that we will take advantage of it, and then we'll create our new high, and then we can reach 15,000, because we already passed 14,000. So next target should be something like 15. Yeah, this will be the new high that can be created. You understand? Because you must understand this is the low, but also look what happened around this level here. You see, this was the lowest point. This was the lowest point. But do you see where price reversed? It never came to this lowest. Hence I say even here we have this as the lowest from below this lows. You understand? Hence I say even here this is the lowest compared to this one, but price can certainly bounce here and shoot back up. So these significant zones are very important. You need to draw them on a higher time frame because they very much show you where price is most respected. You understand? You can see it's like a steps, and then we bounced here and we shot up, bounced here, shot up, bounced here, shot up, bounce, shot up. So the bounce I'll expect it to happen here, and then we shoot and create a new high. So let's just focus on what is currently happening. I do have a video on backtesting Nasdaq. You can have a look at it. And also let's look at for our time frame. Always remember that you're not always gonna get a book trade. You understand? Sometimes those impulsive moves, they'll happen around a significant area. You'll see that you are having a double top or head and shoulder formation or triple top. So you need to be aware of what you're looking. Look what is currently happening here. Why are we pushing a little bit down? It's because of this. Understand? Our highest high is here. Highest high is here. 14,046. But where are we now? Where are we? We are here. So you can see we are having some sort of a rejection. And when we are having this type of rejection, you need to be aware of your significant zones, because this we can see price is bouncing around this level. It's bouncing, so it's at most rejecting this level here, this level here. You can use a line like this so that you can know that it is a zone, something like this. So is indeed we can shoot down, but the significant strongest zone, it's around this level here. This is where I'll expect the price to bounce and shoot further up. You understand? So you can expect price to retrace, go down a little bit today, but also remember you need to wait for those right movements. You don't just enter because you know that price is gonna go down. Then let's go to 1 hour. Voila, I see a price chart pattern. You can see here. So the note that you will have here, you have double top. You can say double top, but you have 1, 2, 3. I can say triple top. Triple top. We have a triple top on these points. One, two, three. Okay, triple top. Horizontal zone. Significant area. Now we are having rising wedge. Is a rising wedge. So I have my reasons why we capitalize on the sell movement. So you can see. Okay, something like this makes sense. Yeah. Oops. Voila. So we just have to understand what can happen around here. My strongest level will be if price comes and rejects here, but it's possible that price can reject, let's see, yeah, around this, you see this level here. Because why? Look what happened here. It was a correction of some sort, and then let me do this, and then I'll draw another line. So do you see this area here? You understand? Price came, shot up, came to retest. Price shot up, retest, and shot further up. So you can see these big movements. Look at this movement. Look at the distance here. Look at the distance here. And then if we place it again here, it's the same thing. So this is what I can expect to happen around here. You understand? Price can certainly come down. Let me just move this. I'll draw this. Okay, then I'll remove these blue lines. We can have this type of nature, then shoot to the upside. In that way, you know that we're having a chart pattern here, and then we're impulsing down, but we need to have a reversal kind of nature, showing us that price will definitely shoot to the upside. So basically, if we're something like this, correcting downwards in a nature, coming to this significant zone, we can expect an impulsive move to the upside. So I'll just be observing this and looking at it, and also monitoring ourselves, the sales that we took around here, and monitor them as we go further. So these are just the significant. So these are just the reasons why I took this trade. So always make sure, guys, you have your reasons. That way you'll be able to understand and rectify, and also it grows you and also builds your trading plan. So just learn to understand the movements that you take, and also jot them down, write down the trades that you take, so that you can be aware of everything that's happening, and everything that gives you the edge not to be complicated. And also, if it repeats itself again, you can be able to apply the same method and be able to capitalize on those trades. So what I want to show you here, I took the sell here because I saw that there's a significant area, and then it broke, and then also we are having this kind of excuse me, this was my psychology fake out. So you can see here we had an impulse down, correction, impulse, correction, then further went down in this manner, and then you can see here we are having a correction. So if you missed it here where I managed to catch it, you can also catch it around here. So that was around the level. My stop loss was just above, because I knew that my target will be somewhere around here. The beginning of this, my target is here. So this is just where my next zone is here. This is where my target. I'll be taking my TP around here. Just before I think it's here. So at this point, I'm already capitalizing. I've closed. Now my stop loss is just above here, this high. 13717, which is this level here. 13717, just to make sure that it doesn't break this high, you understand? Because I see a significant area here. Should it not break this high, should reject this first significant zone because it was broken. It does something like this. Understand? So basically I'm just protecting my profits, but at the same time want to capitalize until I reach my TP around this level here. So at this point I'm just not gonna do anything, but I see if it comes retest here, I'm gonna place more cells. Place more cells around this level here, around 13681. Then my stop loss will just be above this high. Yeah, my stop loss will just be above this high, and then take it all the way down. I'll be adding more positions there. So I'm just waiting for it to correct a little bit, and that way I'll know that we are creating this. Let me show you. We are creating this manner. So you can see them, as long as it hasn't broken this line, I'm still taking it down up to this level, you understand? So I'm being supported by my chart pattern, rising wedge, and also being supported by this trend line. You remember with the uptrend one, it has to be on top of it. This one is below it. You can see we are having price come here, price come here, and then bounce. So it's possible you can come bounce here and go down, you understand? So hence I have this around here, understand? Bounce around this level here. So that's just the way, guys, how you can simplify trading the Nasdaq and be able to be profitable without the use of complicated indicators. I hope this was very much productive and informative to you guys. And those who haven't subscribed to the channel, please smash that button, click the like and share with your friends and family so that I can keep on uploading much more great content. And also please do not forget to click the link below to join the broker that I'm using. And also, if you like to learn directly from me, visit our website, guys, contact the admin and join the Forex Heroes 2.0 and access the much more exciting way of trading Forex in a simplified way. Also, guys, please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.